And we're back to question 3. This is question 3, part 3. We're still looking at logic, conditionals, if, else statements in Python. Write a program that will ask the user to input a number. The output should tell the user whether the number is larger or smaller than 0 or equal to 0. Ooh, this has 3 options to it. We've only dealt with 2 so far. This one has 3. We need a new keyword here. It's a combination of else if. It's called elif. Okay. Num equals, let's make it a float. A float input. What does it ask for? A number. Okay, so it can be a float. Float input. What's your number? Pick a number. Little space there. Make it look a little bit tidier. If num is greater than 0, what's going to happen? Print. Your number is greater than 0. Easy. Here's the next trick. Else if. Else if. Python combines those. It's such a common thing to do. We call it elif. Elif. Num is less than 0. I'm going to take that same line, copy it, paste it, print. Your number is less than 0. And I could do another else if here. I'm not going to. Why not? Because if we've already taken care of all the numbers bigger than 0 and all the numbers greater than 0, the only option is that it is 0 itself. So I'm going to say just plain old else print your number is 0. Cool. Let's try it. Pick a number. 4. Your number is greater than 0. Fantastic. Pick a number. 0.001. Your number is greater than 0. Woohoo! Pick a number. Minus 23. Your number is less than 0. Minus 0. Your number is 0. Look at that. Your number 0.000. Your number is 0. And one more. No, that's fine. That's covered all of our bases. That's that program done. See you on the next one.